Hi children, today we are going to study lesson number 9, Creepy Crawly Flyers. Okay, so creepy, crawly means by crawling. Okay, creepy means also in the same way like ಅದು ಬಂದು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಅದು ಆ್ಯಂಟೆನಾ ಯಂತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೀಪಿ ಫ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಓಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ Tanvi. Okay, she felt very thirsty at night. She went into the kitchen to fetch some water, means to drink some water. As she switched on the light, she was scared because as there were some cockroaches crawling about. Okay, in the kitchen at night, all the cockroaches will be moving here and there, so that we call it as crawling. Immediately they ran. When someone comes means they will run and did under the shelves and in drawers etc. Somewhere they are going to hide. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಲಾರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಡಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದೀಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 56 in the page number 56 some of the some of the animals are there. You have to identify that. Below I have written some names. Okay, this is called butterfly and this is ant. This is grasshopper and this one is cockroach and last this is housefly. Okay, so all these you can see in your homes or in your gardens. Okay, so next is about insects we are going to study. Insects means what? Insects means ಸಣ್ಣ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಅವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರಿಮಿ ಕೀಟಾಣು ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏರ್. So the harder outer covering of the body parts, their internal soft body. So how it will be hard part will be outside and inner part will be very soft. And their body part it is going to divide it into 3 parts. In the page number 56, the housefly they have shown you. Okay, here. This is called housefly. Okay. And this part is called small part, it is called as antenna, and big two are there, that is called foreleg, and two ball like structures that is called head, and upper part it will be very hard, that we call it as thoracic cavity, thorax, or we can also call thoracic cavity. So and next is this gray color part, that is abdomen. Next blue color part, that is wing. And next here down 2 legs are there, that is called hind legs. Next here middle one leg it is there, that is called middle leg. So next is foreleg, front part. Okay, so here these body parts it is going to divide it into 3 parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. So they also have a pair of antenna. Pair means always 2. Okay, 3 pair of joint legs and 2 compound eyes. Okay, so here pair of joint legs are there, pair of antenna are there and compound eyes are there. Compound eyes means 2 ball like structures are there, that is called eyes. Okay, so next some insects fly, some crawl while some of them jump. So some of the insects they will fly, some of them they will crawl here and there, and some of them they will jump. Cockroach it will crawl also and it can jump also. Okay, so next crawlers, worms like earthworms and roundworms. Earthworms andre ಎರೆಹುಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, roundworms means so which are there in the stomach. Okay, ಜಂತುಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So earthworms and roundworms will be the crawlers, and these are the insects without legs. So why they are crawling means they are not having the legs. They crawl with the help of their slimy and slippery body, very soft body it will be there, and they can move with the help of that. Other insects like ants, lice, lizards, silverfish also crawl about. Okay, these other insects also they can crawl, but lice live in human head, means lice andre henu, they are going to live in the human head. Ants hide in the corners of the house, so somewhere in the corner of the house it is going to hide. So here other insects they can also crawl and they can also walk. Why? Means they have the legs. Spiders, they are also the crawlers. They are not insects as they have 4 pairs of legs and their body has 2 parts. They belong to scorpion family. Okay, so next scorpion andre chelu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So lizards, it has a long sticky tongue to catch and eat the insects like mosquito, housefly. So ಇವಾಗ suppose mosquito ಅಥವಾ housefly ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, lizard ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ನಾಲಿಗೆನ ಚಾಚಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So it has a sticky tongue, that's why it can catch. Millipedes and centipedes ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿ ಕೀಟಾಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So they will be having more than 100 legs. They feed on dead plants and insects. Always ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರೋಂಥ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೇ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. So snakes move with the help of scales on their bodies. This movement is called slithering. So scale ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು with the help of scales ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿನ. So that's why it is called, that movement we call it as slithering. Okay, this is all about crawlers. And study of insects is called as entomology, we are going to say. And fear of spider is called arachnophobia. Phobia andre fear. Okay, so this is all about insects and crawlers today we have studied. In the next class we are going to study about flyers, harmful insects and other useful insects. Thank you children.